In this video, I'm going to share with you a truth about pendulums that nobody has ever told you. So pendulums are just a concept from Reality Transurfing. The book was written by Vadim Zeland, and in it he describes pendulums as being any topic or issue that has strong opposing points of view. So when you have a group of people on one side of an issue and another group of people on the other, and they're in opposition, you create this flow of power in two directions. And that power flow creates the pendulum. Now you see this with strong controversial issues like animal rights, global warming, gun control, abortion, and things such as that. But you also see it in small issues like, what restaurant should you and your spouse go to dinner at tonight? You might have opposing points of view, and that would create a flow of power in two directions, the pendulum. So the important thing to know about a pendulum is you can't avoid them. They're everywhere, and we don't care about avoiding them. In this video, you're going to learn that you don't ever have to avoid them, and you don't even want to avoid them, because pendulums are awesome, and I'm going to show you why later on in the video, so make sure you watch to the end. So what I want to tell you about pendulums is that in the book it says what you really have to do is acknowledge that they exist, and you have to know they have the right to exist, but that instead of engaging in them, you have to just observe them or ignore them. And what I want to tell you is that all of this work with the pendulum is not needed, because the truth about pendulums that people don't tell you is the pendulum does not have any power at all over you. They don't have the power to knock you off your path. They don't have the power to take you out of balance. If you found you've been reacting to a pendulum, it means you are already out of balance when you came across it. This is so important to know, because you don't want to be blaming pendulums or giving any power or credit to pendulums for having anything over you. The truth is, and you know this, that if we want anything in the world to change, we know we have to look within, that the answer resides within us, that all we're really seeing is a reflection of who we really are. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat pendulums with effective self-awareness. And this answer is so simple. Self-awareness means that we understand we are a four-dimensional being, just that we have four components to our makeup. It's a very simple thing. You know you have a physical body, a mental body, and an emotional body. And you also know you have a fourth component, the awareness, consciousness, or observational body. The problem is, as we wander around throughout our day, we don't give much credit to that fourth component. We're not usually aware that we are aware. We're not conscious that we're having a conscious experience. So when this consciousness gets more in balance with the physical, mental, and emotional parts of our makeup, we're going to have what we need in order to be able to interact with all pendulums in a new way. So the next thing I want to tell you, though, about pendulums and about self-awareness is that you might not realize that this alternating current in electricity can become direct current if you take four components called diodes and you connect them together in balance. So if you make a square or a diamond out of these four diodes, these four components, so if you put them in their proper place, symmetrical together, giving them equal credit and value and attention, you've created something called a bridge rectifier in basic electricity. And what a bridge rectifier does is it transforms alternating current that goes in two directions into direct current. So when you do that with your own self-awareness, when you make sure that your consciousness and your physical, mental, and emotional body are all working together in balance, by treating your consciousness and your awareness with some more attention and time throughout the day, so that you can really level off and balance these things together, then those four components act as a bridge rectifier for every pendulum that ever happens. And then more power flows directly into your life, and you feel it because you're more aware, more present in the moment. When you're present, you're not reacting, right? When you're present, you have more peace, more productivity, because you have more energy and power to do all the things you need to do on your life goal through your door of today's actions. So it's just wonderful. And that's the big thing, is that you're going to be able to draw power from all pendulums once you get those 4 components of self-awareness balanced. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be making more videos. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your life. Enjoy the pendulums. Enjoy your awareness.